When it comes to monitoring concrete quality in transit, every minute counts. In this video, we'll walk you through MixPilot's simple installation steps that get you up and running in just 15 minutes, delivering real-time slump, temperature, and volume measurements from plant to pour. Prior to installing the hardware, access the account created for you by the Giatec team and link each MixPilot unit to be seen on your dashboard and in-cab display. With the sensors linked and ready to go, it's time to unbox your hardware and begin installation. Start by attaching the 3 antennas to the ports on the top of the MixPilot gateway, ensuring they remain upright. They screw on securely by hand with no tools needed, enabling data transmission every minute to your dashboard, in-cab display, and mobile apps. Once the antennas are attached, plug the power cable into the gateway and connect it to your truck's accessory power through a fused connection. Next, attach the gateway to the inside of the rear cabin window using 3M tape. Alternative mounting options for rear discharge trucks include bolted-on magnets or self-tapping screws. For front discharge trucks, the gateway should be mounted on the pedestal using magnets or screws. Next, install the pressure sensor. It screws into a standard 1/4 NPT fitting, which then connects to the truck's mixing pressure line. Depending on the size of your hydraulic line, you may need a fitting that matches your specific setup. This small but powerful sensor measures the force used to rotate the drum. Finally, secure the magnetic drum sensor onto the truck, positioning it parallel to the second weld line with the LED indicator facing the truck's cabin. Ensure there's at least 1 inch of clearance between the drum and the frame to allow rotation. With MixPilot fully installed, the MixPilot app gives drivers instant access to real-time data right on a tablet. MixPilot can be downloaded on their existing tablet or a new one, enabling drivers to manage their load with accurate data at their fingertips. Now, fully equipped and empowered with real-time insights, your team is ready to hit the road with confidence. From plant to pour, MixPilot ensures every load meets the highest standards, driving quality and consistency every step of the way. Take control of your concrete quality from plant to pour. Try MixPilot today.